Itu kan di Tabita tuh.
Minute, wait.
Jangan udah.
So you are entrepreneur now.
Entrepreneur. Oke, 17
Just wait moment. Wait.
How long you sell this?
more than 2 years.
2 years.
Yes, never stop. No, continue, always continue every day.
Every day.
Every day.
And is this your homemade?
Yes, my homemade production.
Okay. Opak Singkong Medan. Okay. Are you from Medan?
No, I'm Sundanese and Japanese.
Sundanese and Japanese.
Yeah, mixed by Japanese.
So why your product name Singkong Medan?
This is still very rare, in Bogor.
Oh yeah, I see.
How much this one pack?
1,000, 1 pack.
20,000.
20,000.
Normally
This one,
20,000.
normally, yeah.
Okay, normally.
This 1 ounce, 200.
Okay, 2 ounce ya.
Yeah, it's 1.
Oh, one ounce. Okay, for the original and balado ya.
Yes.
It is for balado.
Yeah, this balado, but not too spicy. It's possible for kids and also for adult.
Okay. Excited.
Si somong 2 mil to say 2 mil rupee.
What did you say? I understand.
Itu hanya 20.000 saja. Okay.
What?
That's French word.
What another language you can
No,
Speak.
just English and French.
English and French?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Wow, keren.
Okay, gracias.
Yes.
Gracias.
This is Spain.
Spanish, yes, Spanish.
Oke guys, ini ada ibu penjual keripik, tapi dia bisa bahasa Inggris lancar, bahasa Prancis lancar gitu ya. Cuman masalahnya gua nggak bisa bahasa Prancis. Oke, kita coba, kita beli kerupuknya.
Dan ibunya nggak mau di-shoot ya?
Oke ya, nggak mau on cam katanya, takut kelihatan cantiknya. Oke, she's very beautiful, right? Where do you live, by the way?
In Bogor also, but around here, no, it's not far from here, just behind here, in the Prasta.
Okay, behind Indoprasta.
Near Jambu 2 ya?
Yeah.
Any other product?
Yes, we have other products. We are family product. It's payek and shape banana kapok.
Okay, banana kepok.
Already sold.
Already sold?
Yeah, already sold.
Are you bringing now?
No, just opak Medan.
Oh, yes.
Okay, I
How-
think that's enough.
Okay. Thank you very much. Sorry, what's your name?
No.
No name ya. Oke, that's privacy. Oke, no names. Ya, kita cobain ya opaknya. Oke, thank you very much. Oke, thank you very much.
Happy. Merci beaucoup pour toi aussi. Nah, jadinya kan.
No. I just video my friend.
Oke, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Oke, ketemu lagi ya nanti ya. Kita cobain opaknya. Omina. Oke.
Omina is my
This is-
mom.
this is-
My mom is already passed away in 1981 when I was at senior high school.
Omina is name from Indonesia.
Yes, of course. Omina, yeah.
Omina.
That's Sundanese name. That's
sure
my
it's Sundanese?
Sundanese name.
Omina?
That's my mom names.
What do you mean of Omina in Sundanese?
Not meaning, but just name.
Just name. But
Yeah,
I
that's
just-
my mom name.
Oh.
Yeah, but I already passed away long time ago. It was
Are you originally from Indonesia?
of course.
Originally?
Yes, why?
Not make.
Look like from India,
Yeah,
or
no.
Pakistan.
No, when I was in France, the people said I'm Korean, and I'm Chinese,
Philippine.
Philippine, yes.
Oke guys, that's enough. See you, bye. Halo guys, good afternoon. Okay.
French language, please.
French language. It's a body hand for Opak Singkong Omina in Academy now. Ya. Jadi tadi kita nggak sengaja, kita lagi diem, disamperin sama ibu-ibu usia 61 tahun, tiba-tiba nawarin opak. tapi nawarinnya pakai bahasa Inggris sama bahasa Prancis ya. Karena kita bisanya seadanya bahasa Inggris, dan tadi kita ngobrol pakai bahasa Inggris sedikit, tapi bahasa Prancisnya kita keep dulu gitu. Katanya dia jualan homemade ya, opak, usia 61 tahun, dan katanya dia pernah tinggal di Prancis, makanya dia bisa bahasa Prancis guys, sama bahasa Inggrisnya lancar banget, fluence banget gitu ya. So buat teman-teman yang ingin belajar bahasa Inggris ya, buat teman-teman yang ingin belajar bahasa Inggris dan Prancis, nanti bisa menghubungi atau komen di kolom komentar, nanti kita kasih tutorialnya. Oke guys, ketemu lagi. Ini gua
spell nggak sih berapa per hari? Spell nggak sih? Enggak ya?
Enggak, tadi kita enggak ngobrol ke omset guys. Cuman yang pasti tadi dia punya beberapa produk yang dibawa, ada PY, ada singkong, ada apa lagi tadi tuh.
Kalau dari perkiraan tas kayaknya muat 50 ya.
Kalau tas yang tadi dia bawa 50 pack bisa muat, karena tadi tasnya lumayan besar. Kalau 50 pack kali 20.000 berapa? 1 juta ya. Nah, sekitar feeling kita sih 500 sampai 1 juta per hari ya omset dia jualan homemade ini.
Tapi jalan ya.
Tapi jalan kaki. Jalan kaki lumayan panjang ya. Oke, mungkin sekian. Ada lagi yang ditanyain ke gua? Oke ya, cuman mohon maaf tadi muka si ibunya nggak mau dilihatkan karena alasan privacy ya gitu. Tapi tadi kan denger sendiri kan kita ngobrol pakai bahasa Inggris dan bahasa French gitu, walaupun iya doang. Oke, jangan lupa cari cuan, kawan obat mata, ikuti terus obat mata. Mudah-mudahan bisa menginspirasi teman-teman semua yang ada di luar sana, baik itu mau berwirausaha ataupun di dunia kerja. Ketemu lagi sama kita dan nantikan kejutan-kejutan yang lainnya. Bye-bye.